Abafundi abangamashumi amahlanu abavela emakhaya entulayo eNaledi bathole imfaniswano yesikole ngohlelo lwenyanga yentsha eholwa yiSteve Sekano Foundation. Lokhu kunikezelwa kwalomfaniswano kwenzeke esikoleni samabanga aphansi iRiboni Primary School namuhla ekseni lapho bekuhlangene khona amalungu omphakathi, ngothisha kanye nezihlabani zebhola likanobhutshuzwayo ukuzokweseka lolu hlelo. Umsunguli walenhlangano uSteve Sekano uthi ke lolu hlelo kuhloswe ngalo ukubuyisa isithunzi kanye nokukhulisa ukuzethemba kubafundi ababhekene nobunzima bezezimali.
Bangamashumi amahlanu abafundi besikole samabanga phansi iRiboni endaweni yaseNaledi abahlomule ngomfaniswano wesikole okubalwa phakathi izicathulo namahembe njengoba inhlangano engenzi inzuzo inikelele labo abadla imbuya ngothi.
The main aim of us being here at Riboni Higher Primary School, we're here to donate uniform for kids who are in need, because we've seen there's a need for some of the kids whom we saw that, they are wearing turkeys to come to school. Some of them, they are wearing shirts which are torn, which is, it's so unfair when you see kids wearing like that because of, sometimes the confidence on kids, it's, sometimes it disturbs the kids and how others are wearing, it also affects them as well. And also in the classroom as well, it also affects the kids, which is something that, we need to change that as well because of we need to see kids who are happy coming to school, kids who have confidence coming to school, kids who want to achieve goals, even though these are young kids, but we need to motivate the kids and make them, happy as well because of it's so important, as the Steve Sekano Foundation to change the life of the kids and make sure that, our kids are happy at all times and are able to, with other kids being able to talk and, being able to being happy at all times because of my aim is to change the life of our kids.
Le nhlangano iphonsele inselelo somabhizinisi namalungu omphakathi ukuba basebenzisane ukubuyisela emphakathini nokulekelela labo abaswele kakhulukazi izingane nezaguga. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV ngikunokulunga Mthembu ngiseNaledi.
Uma siqhubeka nalolu daba, lo wabeke isigebengu esaziwayo seshintshile nongumholi womphakathi uCharles Zulu usenxuseke intsha ukuthi iziqhelelanise nezenzo zobugebengu kanye nokusetshenziswa kwezidakamizwa. Wexwayisa ngokuthi ke ukwehluleka ukuthatha izinqumo kungaholela kumphumela engakukhungatha isikhathi eside. Ekhuluma ke emcimbini wokunikela ngomfaniswano wesikole namuhla ekseni, uZulu ukhuthaze intsha ukuthi ke igxile kwezemfundo, ithathe nezinqumo ezephusile ezizokwakha ikusasa layo eliqhakazile.
2008, I told myself, let me plow back to the community. Let me fight drugs, let me fight crime. Into engiyenza namanje and educating youth about danger ye crime, drugs and gangsterism and prison. Ngoba bona abazi ukuthi in prison you can die. Kunezimpi laphaya. Mina nginekala. Lesikali sisiponsor sejele. Laphayana kubhlungu ngoba uyalaliswa uyavuswa, udliswa ngesikhathi umthetho ofuna ngaso. So I'm trying to teach you ukuthi laphayana you'll die there. So it's easier, they must choose a right path. They must stay away from drugs, gangsterism, and even ama-hookah pipes lawa, they are so dangerous. So mina, hayi ukuthi lento ngiyifundile encwadini, into ephuma kimi. So I don't want i-youth yamanje end up la engibuya khona. Namanje nje ngina umntana omfana, hayi yena uyangihlonipha. Nginabo abashana ngiyazama ukubagayida. Kodwa ayipheleli lapho ephefeni nge-community leader. I'm fighting crime, drugs and yonke into ngoba I'm planning back to the community. Kepha angithandi i-youth yethu ifike lapha mina ngifike khona. And ku-easy thina esifike kulezi zinto si-educate i-youth ngoba lento siyazazi. So mina ngibona ukuthi i-youth izomamela thina esibuya kuzo lezi zinto lezi idanger yazo. Mina ngicela ukuthi i-youth yamanje ngibheke nginazika i-gangsterism, nginazika inxa yama-drugs, nginazika ngoba ngasuke ngadlalela ibhamini. Impilo yami ngibonga uNkulunkulu ngokuthi ngasondeza kuNkulunkulu ngise-Sun City. I've asked for a second chance. I-second chance engikuyo, but my most thing ngikhala nge-youth yamanje ukuthi ayike mamela abazali, ayikizame ukusuka kuma-drugs.